Right, so this question may look easy, but then again, it may be a little difficult for a lot of people. So how would you approach this question? That's Fe2O3 plus CO to give Fe plus CO2. Now I want you could pause it and then try it, but you should remember one thing here, that the carbon is here and carbon is also here. Those are the only places where you have carbon in this whole equation. So it means that whatever you decide to put here, it must be the same thing that you would put on the other side, because the carbon have to be balanced at the end of the day. All right, so we could start with assuming that it's 1, 1, which will not really help because while carbon will be balanced, the oxygen will not be balanced, right? You have 3, 4, and then this is just 2. So let's try 2 here and also 2 here. That would help my carbon be balanced quite alright, but it wouldn't really help my oxygen. Why? Because oxygen here is now 2 plus 3 here makes 5, whereas this is 4. So it's not still balanced. What if we had 3 and 3 on both sides? So maybe 3 here and 3 here. Let's see, our carbon is still balanced, but what of the oxygen? Oxygen here is now 3 plus this 3, making 6. And this is 3 multiplied by 2. Yes, that sounds good. So 3 and 3 here makes a lot of sense. So it means that my carbon is balanced and my oxygen is balanced. Is that all? That's not all. We also have Fe there, iron. The iron on this side is 2, whereas the iron here is 1. This one is not a problem, right? You just put your 2 in front here, and that's how you balance it. So you'd have observed that we're just speculating, placing a 1, placing a 2, and then placing a 3, and we found that that 3 actually works well. So that's it.